This is Dr. Carl Leopson at the University of Arizona. This is a continuation of a review of our syllabus for SERP 590, Single Subject Research Design. Let's take a look at the major elements of course evaluation. I'm sure you're all interested in that. One thing that you are required to do is to complete CITI training, which is training in research ethics. It's provided through the University of Arizona and an outside source, and I can help you get signed up for that. And I think I already sent an email to help you get started. There will be a lot of discussions because this is an online course. There's a discussion section in D2L. So if we take a look at the D2L page, we click on discussions, you'll see that there's a place for us to do our introductions. Lots of folks have already been in there. Post the article and abstract for the first class. And a place to talk about the syllabus and ask a course question. There are also areas for us to help develop our project, and I'll talk about the projects in just a moment. You get 3 points for every discussion posting that you make. There'll probably be about 20 discussion posts, so that's 60 points in the course. It's a fair bit. The scenario quiz. The scenario quiz, it's really going to be pretty simple. By the time you're finished, you should be able to look at an issue in research design and select the appropriate format for a single subject research study. So I'll give you scenarios and you'll tell me which design you would choose and why you would not choose other designs. And you'll do that in groups and submit one paper as a group, and that comes late in the course, and that's worth 25 points. Visual analysis is the classic way of analyzing the data that you recover in a single subject study. And so we're going to take some time to do that, and you need to have some practice in it and show that you're able to do visual analysis. And so each of you will post in the discussion section visual analysis of some graphic data, and that's worth 10 points. As I've mentioned previously, we're going to read a lot of single subject research studies, and you'll be able to choose them for yourself from a set of studies when we start to discuss specific types of designs. And I'm going to ask you to analyze 2 of those using a rubric that I've created, and through the use of the rubric you should be able to walk through those pretty easily, and that's worth 10 points. Because visual analysis is so important in single subject research design, we have to be able to create graphs. So these demonstration graphs are important for you to master, and that is where we will be using Excel. And I'll be giving you some sample data, or you can use your own data, and I'm going to ask you to create 2 different types of single subject graphs. And that comes a little later in the course also, and that assignment is worth 15 points. The major assignment in the course is the research project proposal. So we are not actually going to conduct a research study during this course. Instead, you'll create a proposal for a study, and we'll walk through that process week by week. You'll turn in small pieces, have them reviewed, and be able to pile them all up at the end so that you have a good research proposal. I often have 3 to 4 students who come out of this course with their research proposal that goes on to become their dissertation. If you go to the syllabus, you can see also a summary of the point totals for the various evaluation elements of the course. I'm going to help you through all of it. I know it seems like a lot, but I think you'll be able to do it.